Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.com. Some examples of mobile app testing taking place in application development processes include 1. Successful automated functional testing. A developer carefully plans their functional mobile app testing, listing all of the features to be tested in addition to the specific tests that they are completing. 2. Unsuccessful manual usability testing. A company has set a very tight deadline for the publication of an app, which means that the developer needs to complete the testing quickly. Thanks to a lack of testing, the app has a series of undiscovered bugs on other types of devices, causing the company to have a worse reputation for app quality. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.